stay calm. Don't get disturbed by your painting because it's just a painting. Relax. It'll come together, or it won't.
That was aimed at me.
No. So therefore, go in with the sky, do your water, boom, boom, paint around your trees, add as much detail as your little house. Bingo, you've got a nice tropical painting.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Yeah.
But look at, watch the tip of the brush. I just like to mess up your painting, then I'm gonna run away. See how much paint I use? Cause
Yeah. I'm scared of putting that much on.
you shouldn't.
Well, I think that's experience.
But you see, just use that point to cut in. Look at that, see that chunkiness?
Trunks would never look like that. They're way too long. It's a design. It's a design thing.
What do you mean the trunks would not?
The trunks would never be that long.
Oh, yeah, they would.
Yeah,
depending on what kind of
they are
farm.
definitely
Depending on what
Have
kind
you ever
of
been to
palm it is,
California?
they are.
They have those great,
Christmas
big,
palms
tall,
are
skinny
long,
Yeah.
palms.
Yeah, but
Santa Barbara.
not
Yeah,
that-
All right, I'll tell you
I
what.
need to do something to
I'll
them.
tell you what.
Shorten them.
Tell you what. There's always a way to fix everything.
Yeah.
You can put some big palm fronds right down here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Coming in.
Yeah.
Visually short.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
do that a lot.
Bam.
Man. Boom, you're done. I'm trying to think, look around to see where I've done that.
She did that down here. I did. She did.
Yeah, it really helps to cut
Yeah.
in. So I would,
Oh,
like, make sure it's dry, and then, yeah, that'll totally solve that.
Okay.
Cause I love this. I love the white and the blue and the dark green together. I like your color palette.
I like the stilts that you put in, the houses.
Yeah,
on the
and
side.
they're broken. They're broken lines.
Yeah, it looks good.
Don't forget to pop some blue in those windows. We don't want black holes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you guys never heard that, but you don't make black holes. You put some kind of light because they're glass and they're gonna be reflecting. And then if the eye goes there and it just sinks into the blackness, you don't want that either.
I like the stilts on the houses. I'm gonna put
Me
some
too,
in
I
mine.
like that.
Yeah.
I do too. It's
The
very
whole room's gonna do that. It's a good idea. It's a good idea. Yeah, I love it.
Is that boat a little bit too big?
No.
Almost. Like maybe take a quarter of it out.
Looks like it just looks closer.
It looks like it's just.
It looks like
closer.
it's closer and the houses are further.
Right, yeah.
I
love it.
I think
That's
it's
one of
pretty
those
good.
things that can be subjected to where you're standing,
Yeah.
or how far away you're
I know I
standing.
said you should be able to see the inside, and you can a little bit right back in here, so
Yeah.
this would have it a little, go
Right.
about to there, maybe. Maybe you could bring this down a little bit. If you like the looks of this workshop, feel free to join us at one of my next workshops, which will be in Sarasota, April 9th, 10th, and 11th. It's 3 days. And the information is on my website under workshops, so check it out and join us in Sarasota. Thanks.